the Open Lab of Synergies, an online service that works as a virtual co-working space. Through this tool, you can publish and find cooperation requests and offers on the target sectors. Our goal is to generate as many matches as possible. Let's see how it works. Use the searcher tool to find your synergy. You can choose between offers and requests and also search by keywords. After that, you'll find the synergies available. To check the complete information, you must log in. The information will be displayed on the screen. You can show your interest in the synergy to establish contact with the publisher entity and also download it. But the Open Lab of Synergies is an interactive space where you can publish your offers and requests. First, pick your choice between offer and request. After that, complete the form and submit it. And there you have it. Your form has been successfully submitted.